me see.
Cool. It's just
Now I
the
gotta
same
go
way.
through all my CDs and pick out my favorite CDs, so I got them right there at my fingers.
Yeah, I'm sorting.
Oh, it's a space mobile.
I'm sorting these in piles.
Oh, it's a moon rover.
Look, Kyle, it's got a moon man with a shield, a spaceman.
An astronaut.
Oh, is that what it is?
Yeah. Astronaut.
Who is this from on the tag?
I don't know.
Well, you better go look at the tag.
It's on here.
Move too quick. You got
Here, Kyle.
an arm moving. There you go.
Who's it from?
Can you read it?
To Kyle from Grammy and Pappy.
How did it even get here?
Let me see the... Oh, a Lego watch.
How did it even get here?